With PROfirst TubeCALC, you calculate tube and profile components quickly, precisely, and fully automatically. From a complete step assembly, you can even export every profile as an individual step file with just one click, ready to be used directly for programming your tube laser system. The software automatically detects all profiles and transfers them straight into the calculation. Profile lengths for tube nesting can be adjusted at any time to match any special requirements. Next, simply enter the desired quantity of the assembly. All part quantities are automatically recalculated, and the nesting is started to calculate the required material. After the calculation, you decide whether your customer pays for all of the full profiles, including the scrap, or if some larger reusable profiles are not included in the material consumption. Precise production times are also calculated. Cutting time, setup time, and additional time, such as loading profiles or time for unloading finished parts, are determined based on the real machine data of your tube laser system. The material usage overview can then be saved as a PDF or printed directly. With the profile calculation complete, you simply add any extra operations such as welding, enter the corresponding production times, and save the calculation. Your complete quotation can then be sent directly to your customer. Assemblies containing both sheet metal parts and profiles are handled effortlessly by PROfirst TubeCALC. Different profile types are automatically recognized and nested together with a single click. Would you like to see how PROfirst TubeCALC works with your own components? Just send us your step file or schedule online demonstration. We'll be happy to show you how to make the calculation of your tube and profile components significantly faster, more accurate, and more cost-effective.